Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some kelewele. This is a tasty recipe from Ghana. So you're going to need some black pepper, plantain, extra hot chili powder or any type of hot powder, ground ginger and an all-purpose seasoning. I tend to use the adobo one. So this is a quick recipe, don't judge me. If you want to do it the proper Ghanaian way, it's better to use like raw ginger, raw peppers and raw seasonings and blend it up in the blender, but I'm just showing you the quick and easy way because I was hungry. Okay, let's go. So you peel your plantain. Sorry, I haven't got a tripod yet, so I'm just here using my one hand. And then you cut it in half, and then you cut it in half again. So you'll have 4 long pieces because kelewele is quite thin. And then you're going to kind of cut it in a diagonal way, as you can see that I'm doing, just diagonally with the knife to get these diagonal type pieces. So once you're done, you should have loads of little pieces that look like this. Put them straight into a bowl and then we're going to add the seasonings on. Once it's all mixed nicely, leave it for about 20 minutes, half an hour for the flavours to really settle. And then you're going to set your oil on medium heat ready to fry them. So just keep an eye on them and flip them through halfway just to make sure they all get that nice colour. Wow, look at this kelewele. If you can smell what is here right now, it smells beautiful. You just put it on some kitchen towel and you dab it dry to get rid of any excess oil. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe and like the video. I'll be showing you next how to make this lovely Ghanaian breakfast fit for any king or queen.